everyone.
What is the name of that instrument? Sorry?
Guzheng.
What is the spelling?
It's a Chinese traditional, how to say, traditional, how to say, instrument.
Instrument?
Over 2,500 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it stopped when they only have 5 strings. So now, normally it's 21 strings, but this one I made the individual one is new.
Oh, wow.
It's 26. So they're a little bit wider and a little bit longer.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
What
so
is the spelling? Guton? What's the spelling?
Gu.
Spell.
G-U is from Chinese pronunciation.
G-U?
G-U is Gu. Gu means old. And then Zheng is this one is called Zheng. Zheng is J-H-E-N-G.
J-H-A-N-G. A-N-G. Guton.
Because from like a long ago, and also like about 800 to 1,000 years, they also export me no fa. I need to push me to be the fa. And so la no C I have to press push la to become C. So only do re mi and then fa.
La, ti, do.
Yeah, this one is middle C, and this one is high part. So there are only 5 strings to play seven tones. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Do, re, mi, sol. So it's only do, re, mi, sol, la. Yeah. So it's hard, and also because it's a string. When move to here, and when play for a while, I need to tone it because they change it. Just 1 second. When I just sitting down, blow by the wind, and then they change it too. So I need to tone it. If I didn't buy this one connect to here. But before I only use the traditional one.
Chinese traditional?
Traditional.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
The one that I played before usually is the how to say, the popular one, the listen songs. Yeah, flowers blossom.
Oh,
Just
wow.
yeah.
Nice.
And this one is called 春江木.
Wow, yay.
This was the traditional. 步高 means step, one step higher means. And
Wow.
five tones. They only have A,